Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. In my previous video, we were watching that the price line of XLM was breaking out the resistance of a cup and handle pattern. And now we can see that the price line is rejected and moved down. And in today's video, we will try to see that whether the price line will again move up and break out this resistance of the cup and handle, or it will be moved more down. And before starting the analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it and do support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis you can find here, and I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. Okay, this was the chart. Let me show you first this chart, and then I'll take you to the live chart that I shared on 19th of June at the Patreon for my members when the Stellar completed the final leg of a big bullish harmonic cipher pattern. And I also have been sharing this chart with you guys as well, and I told you that we have a very nice support of the 25 simple moving average on the 2-weekly time frame chart, because this pattern was formed on the 2-weekly time frame chart. And I still believe that this pattern will behave like my previous pattern that I shared back in 2019 and then in 2020. That was a big bullish harmonic reversal bat move on the monthly time frame, and you can see that I defined the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence from 23 cents to 41 cents. But after playing the chart, we can see the price line moved up from 7 cents to 80 cents. That was more than 1100% rally. This time we have another harmonic bullish reversal pattern on the 2-weekly time frame chart. And after playing the chart, we can see that this big bullish reversal move has been started after testing this 25 simple moving average on the 2-weekly time frame. The price line went very close to this sell target that I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish harmonic cipher pattern, and I still believe that the price action can behave like it did previously and crossed up the sell targets which I have defined as per the Fibonacci targets of this bullish bat. Now let's move to the daily time frame chart, and this was the cup and handle pattern that I shared with you in my previous video. And we have seen that the price action dropped down here, and it was rejected by this 41 cents resistance level. Again, rejection. We had another rejection here, and the price line formed a round shape cup and handle, and it was moving here in this handle and broke out the resistance of the handle and made a very powerful attempt to break out this resistance of the cup that is at 41 cents. And at the same time, the price action was also breaking out this 200 simple moving average on the daily time frame as well. This yellow one is the 200 simple moving average, and you can see that the price line is rejected, strongly rejected, and moved down. And this is in fact the shape of this handle is in fact a falling wedge, because we had some higher lows here. Now, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart from here, then we can see that the price line dropped down inside this handle. This is the handle and the falling wedge, and you can see that the price line moved down. Even we had the spike beyond this support of this falling wedge or the handle of the cup, but it is recovered back and being accumulated inside the handle of this cup. So there is another possibility that the price line will be reversed back and make another attempt, and it will be a kind of double bottom situation, and the price line will break out the resistance of the cup. So there is a still chance and still hope, unless we will not break down this handle of a big cup and handle pattern. Now, if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, these are the major support and resistance levels which I have been showing you in my previous videos as well. And we can see that we have a very nice support at 28 cents, and this is our key support, by the way, at 20 cents. And we had a very nice bounce. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, that was a double bottom here, and the price action moved up. And this is the 25 simple moving average. You can see that we don't have any significant resistance between 35 to 45 cents on the weekly time frame. However, we had this 25 simple moving average, this blue one, and the price line is rejected by this 25 simple moving average resistance, and now moved down, and it has tested this 28 cents support and moved up again. Right now we are at 33 cents, and it has also tested this 50 simple moving average as well. So on the weekly time frame, we are still above the 50 simple moving average. That is the 50 simple moving average is right now at 31 cents. You can watch the value of 31, the 50 simple moving average here. That is 31 cents. So even though we had very drastic drop in a single day, but we still have this very strong support of 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame, and the price line is being accumulated here on the small time frame chart. It is being accumulated here inside this handle of the cup, and it is possible that it will be reversed from here unless it will not break down the support of the cup and the handle of the cup. The situation is still in control, and it can move up from here. It can be recovered from here. Now if we take a look at this weekly Ichimoku cloud, then price line is again moved down inside this cloud. We need to move above this cloud, because once the price line will break down this cloud, then it can work as a very strong resistance for the price action, like previously it has been doing. You can see once the price action broke down this Ichimoku cloud here, then after December 2018, it has been working as a very strong resistance for the price action, and finally the price line broke out this resistance of the cloud here in November 2020, and then we had a very nice and powerful rally to the upside. So we need to be above this Ichimoku cloud on the weekly time frame. You can see that the candlesticks are being accumulated here inside this cloud, and we still have this conversion line. This is the moving average inside the Ichimoku cloud that represents the bullish line, and this is the baseline that represents the bearish line. And right now we are in the bear cross, but we still have the support of Ichimoku cloud and the conversion line. And if we move back to the daily time frame, then we are still above this Ichimoku cloud, and cloud is still bullish. And on the weekly time frame, you can see that it is giving us the bearish projection for the future. However, on the daily time frame, it is still bullish, and right now we are testing this cloud as a support. You can see after breaking out this cloud, we did not test this cloud as the previous resistance of the cloud as a support, and right now we are testing this cloud, and it is a possibility that from here, after this retest, the price line will again move above this cloud and start the next move. And I'll definitely post more updates with more developments on the charts. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.